In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom mixer brush in Photoshop. If you've ever wanted richer blending or to mimic traditional media more closely, this is a great way to level up your digital painting. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a mixer brush that matches your style and opens up a lot of creative possibilities. To make things clear, I've set up a simple sphere on the canvas. You can follow along with any basic shape, but a sphere is perfect because its gradual shading makes it easy to see how the mixer brush picks up and applies paint. If you don't have one ready, quickly paint a circle or use the elliptical marquee tool to fill one in. Now select the mixer brush tool. You'll find it nested under the regular brush tool. Click and hold the brush icon to reveal it. Unlike the standard brush, the mixer brush blends colors in a way that simulates wet paint, like oils or acrylics. Think of it as digitally dabbing and swirling real paint. With the mixer brush active, look at the circular cursor on your canvas. Adjust the size so it closely matches your sample sphere. You can use the bracket keys on your keyboard or the size slider in the top toolbar. This matters because we're about to sample from the sphere, and the brush will pull from whatever is inside that circle. If it's too big or too small, you won't capture the detail you want. Time to load the brush. Hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac and hover directly over the sphere. The cursor should switch to an eyedropper. Click once. You've just told Photoshop to load the brush with the exact content inside your brush circle. Its color and texture become your paint source, just like dipping a real brush into a specific spot on your palette. Before painting, choose a brush feel. A hard round mixer brush keeps edges defined for crisp marks, while a soft round gives smoother transitions. Great for gentle blending. Pick what fits your project. Next, set wet to 0%. This prevents the brush from mixing with colors already on the canvas, so your strokes stay clean. Then set load to 100% so the brush is fully charged with paint from the sampled area every time you make a mark. If your strokes look faint, double check these two settings. They control how much paint you're laying down. Go ahead and paint. You'll see each stroke pulls from your sampled sphere, repeating that color and shape. It's a powerful way to create unique marks, repeating textures, or custom patterns that feel handcrafted. If something looks off, revisit the sampling step with Alt or Option and confirm your brush size matches your source. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.